Hey, it's Robert Naini, your spray foam advisor, and today I want to talk to you about a book that I recently read called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I highly recommend anyone that's involved in any business or that deals with financials of any kind in their life, they need to read this book. What this book is about, it's about a financial management system for businesses, but this same financial management system can also be applied to your personal life as well. So if you've been in business and you've wondered, I've made all this revenue, and at the end of the year, where did all the money go? I don't have much profit. I didn't pay myself very much throughout the year. This book is for you. If you in your personal life are unsure of where your money goes, if you have more month at the end of the money, if you don't know, really how to save or where your savings are going or what you're doing with your savings, if you don't have a significant amount of savings, if you don't save money year over year, this book will help you. Whether you're talking about your business or your personal life, I highly, highly recommend this book. Once again, it's called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I just read it about 2 weeks ago here in January 2018, and it was just eye-opening for me. It really just changed the way I think about the way businesses run and the way my personal financial situation is structured. And he basically talks about, in general, the synopsis is that he gives guidance that the way most people run businesses and the way most of us live our personal lives from a financial standpoint is that we have our revenue, our income that comes in, and then we spend, and then whatever's left over is our profit or our savings. And that's the way that we've been taught to think about business. It's the way we've been taught to think about our personal lives is revenue or income minus expenses equals profit or savings. And the issue with that, the issue that we see in many cases is that people in business will spend with the purpose, the intent, the idea. They think that they need to do all this spending so that they can grow their company, but in reality, they're inhibiting their own growth. They're not paying themselves enough. They don't have profit to show for the business. And that's detrimental to the way you think about your business, and it's detrimental to the overall impression that you give yourself of the business when you don't have profit to show for your business itself. And so Mike goes through a process, and what I really love about this book is he not only talks about the concepts, right? He leads with the concepts of how most businesses, it's revenue minus expenses equals profit, and at the end of the year, most of the time, they don't have any profit because they spent all of their revenue trying to grow the business. And, he talks about that concept and gives you the lead in. But then what I love about this book is that he gives you a how. He shows you how to fix it. And that's really what his system is all about. It's a financial management system that actually gives you the step-by-steps for how to create your own financial management structure so that you can not only have profit for your business, but you can pay yourself as the business owner that's an employee of the business. So if you're an employee of the business and the business owner, you should be paying yourself a salary, and you should be having profits left over at the end of the year, and you should be having operating expenditures, OPEX account, where that is the expenses that you spend throughout the year. And he gives you kind of guidance on how to break it down depending on the size of your company and the size of your organization, how much revenue you make. And it really just was amazingly impactful for me. I really appreciated the book. I think that if you have had any struggles at all of any kind with finances, whether it's been in business or your personal life, you're really going to get a lot of value from this book. And that means ultimately that if you've not made profit in your business, or you don't know where that profit went at the end of the year, if you haven't been able to pay yourself a reasonable salary in your business, if you haven't had taxes, if you run into tax issues, because he also addresses taxes in the book. If you run into tax issues where at the end of the year your business has to pay taxes and you have to pay payroll taxes, and you have to pay, your own self-employment tax, and you don't know where the money is, you didn't save up for it. He addresses that, and he gives you guidance on how to prepare for that. So if you've ever run into any type of financial struggles or financial challenges with your business or in your personal life, I highly, highly recommend this book. Once again, it's Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm not being paid to say this. I just want to get that disclaimer out there. I just thought the book was so amazing that I've already recommended it to several people. I already gave my copy to a friend of mine who's a business owner for her and her husband to read, and I plan on buying additional copies to give out to some of my close friends that are also business owners. So once again, I highly recommend this book, Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I can't say it enough. Hopefully by this point in this video, you understand just my belief in how valuable this book is for you as a business owner and in your personal life or in your family's personal life. It could be very powerful for someone who's not a business owner, as long as they can take these concepts and apply it to their personal life. With that being said, I'll close this out and remind everyone, this is Monday, the week of SPFA. So the SPFA convention is happening this week in Mobile, Alabama, and I will be there. Look forward to seeing you. If you see me in the hallways, if you see me around, come up and say hi. Let's talk. Let's chat. And then if you are going to be there, look out for my presentation. I have a session on Thursday. So the exhibit hall and the sessions, the education sessions, are going to be Wednesday and Thursday of this week in Mobile, Alabama for the 2018 SPFA Spray Foam Convention. And if you're going to be there, come check me out. I'm going to be doing an education session on Thursday entitled The 5 Ways That Spray Foam Contracting Businesses Fail. And for those of you that aren't going to be able to make it, that aren't going to be there, stay tuned, and within the next couple of weeks, you will also get access to my presentation that I'm going to be doing at the 2018 Spray Foam Convention. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead here and sign off. This has been Robert Naini with Spray Foam Advisor. Thanks for checking us out. Catch us on some more videos.